Are you looking for some ways that you can stay in shape, break a little sweat without breaking the bank? Well, in this video, we're gonna give you 4 ways to stay in shape while living on campus without going broke. Finding time to exercise is so difficult, but it's worth it. Exercise can improve your mental health, obviously your physical health, and can increase your confidence. Okay, to start, check to see if your school has a gym room, weight room, or recreation center that has open hours. Some schools have these centers open to students and the fee is included in your tuition. Great, but you know what that means, right? There's no excuse not to go. You already paid for it. Go. You could also consider joining an intramural sports club or some type of workout class like Zumba, dance, or even weightlifting. I hear Ultimate Frisbee is surprisingly a full body workout. Okay, this may surprise you, but YouTube has a ton of fitness channels. Maybe you've heard of a bomb fitness instructor that you really wanna follow on YouTube and do their classes. Whatever person you wanna follow, check them out and get your sweat on. And if you can only manage a 15-second workout, just head on over to our TikTok channel and we've got one just for you. And of course, apps. There are thousands of apps to help you set a routine and even focus on certain parts of your body. Arm day, anyone? So what are you doing to stay fit? Feel free to share your college fitness routine in the comments below. Staying healthy is an important part of your life, obviously, right? But there are many different ways to be healthy. You don't have to be running marathons and wearing yourself out. Figure out a routine that works for you, your life, and your goals.